Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to more NFT education. It's your boy Rico, and we got a new project today. All right, now we're gonna learn more about NFTs with this project. This is a project that actually came across my desk. I was looking at on Twitter, and I was reading the roadmap, and then I said, bro, I gotta check it out. And that is Grand Goose Mansion NFT. All right, that's 7,777 geese uniquely designed to unite the next generation of billionaires. All right, the Genesis. The flock of Hawaiian geese was living in style in the beautiful ponds of Honolulu when suddenly the hurricane displaced them from their natural habitat and magically swept all of them into the metaverse. All right. It is the year 2067 and they are ready to roam free in the pond of the Grand Mansion. Will you be kind enough to let out a few? Each goose was carefully curated. It's unique and one of a kind, and being special is why they got swept into the metaverse for the first place. All right, so let's talk about the roadmap, because this is where I kind of got into this project and said, oh wow, that's something I would support. Okay, so at 50% mint, we will donate the sum of $10,000 to charity Goose 111-222-333. Right after minting, we'll get 1 Ethereum each. Look out for those numbers when you mint. All right, now 100% mint 444-555-666. 67777. Right after minting, we'll get 1 Ethereum each, so you also check that when you mint. And they'll donate another sum of $10,000 to a zoo in Hawaii to help keep geese alive and not out of extinction. All right, now the revelation of the actual map for Q1 2022 events. Airdrops already in the works and set to drop a month from mint day to holders. Geeseverse creation, game and token development with utility into the game. In reality, we would like to explore and venture into a lot of things with this special creature, and all we ask is that you come on this fun ride with us as we build a community that will stand against the odds. Right? All right, so the revelation of special character Goose and their utilities will begin. Special characters will be announced before the mint date, so watch out for those. Right, 100,000 will be donated to the community immediately after mint, and there will be a vote on how to utilize the funds. Right, so that's good because they're gonna put the funds right back into the community. All right, so 5 geese woke up in a vault in the Grand Mansion. They decided to split the cash in the vault 5 ways. Airdrops already. All right, they've already started airdropping those, and mint one of the 5 money goose and be a lucky winner, $20,000 each. All right, so now let's talk about the second part of that roadmap, because once again, that's where I kind of bought in on this. So Q1 mint and reveal the Grand Goose Mansion in preparation for airdrop. Simultaneous promotion and marketing, non-stop promotion and marketing activities will let GGM fly sky high. Sweeping campaign, a motorcade of generosity. Every GGM flock member that purchases more than 20 geese off the floor during sweeping campaign will be rewarded with free NFTs for helping to sweep the floor. All right, so Q2, which is the second part of the year, airdrop 1 heads up. The Grand Gorilla Mansion is GGM Collection 2.0, which will be launched in exactly 60 days after the Goose launch. Every mentor and holder of the Goose gets 1 airdrop gorilla, right? So that gets you into the next collection. 1 gorilla to each account that holds a goose from the day of minting, right? And then the merch store. Roll up your sleeves. The official merch designs will be released 30 days after the Gorilla Mint, and all the items will be available for purchase at reasonable prices in the GGM online merch store. All right, so Q3 partnerships. Friends will be friends. Huge numerous collaborations are still ahead. We will set up partnerships with many more exciting projects, artists, and organizations profitable for the GGM flock. Grand Mansion Party, ready to party. The Grand Mansion Party will be held at the biggest and most luxurious mansion in the world famous city to be chosen by the flock DAO. Okay, the party will be a form of a physical reunion for the community members. All right, now Q4 airdrop 2. May we have your attention, please? The GGM tokens will be airdropped to every wallet that has a GGM Goose or Gorilla. Then play to earn game. Time to play the game. We will develop and launch an outstanding multiplayer play to earn game. That's when you can start earning money. Goose and Gorilla holders will be able to play online and use their tokens in the game. All right, and then metaverse integrations. Of course, they're merging into the metaverse. There are no limits. We will expand our presence in the metaverse and create a stable and solid GGM token to shape our future of our community, and all the acquainted NFTs will be unique, safe, and secure. All right. So mint a goose and allow her to roam free in the Gooseverse. All right. So let's go ahead and look at their Twitter, man. The reason why this project stood out to me, bro, is because whenever you talking about 100 Ethereum giveaway, you talking about giving the money back, I'm 9 times out of 10, I'm going to review it, simply because, bro, that's what a lot of us are trying to get into NFTs for. And so a lot of these projects, bro, when I see that they're giving away money, giving the money back into the community like that, I'm 100% with it. So their Twitter looks 100% legit. Let's check the Discord. Oh, 31,000 members. Wow, that's insane, bro. If they have any sort of verification process, which they do, that kind of lets you know that, hey, these ain't fake people. All right. So this is the hype that they really created around this. Okay. Now, this is what I can do for y'all, because I actually, before I did this, I got a chance to holler at the people that run this project, right? And I said, hey, man, if my viewers want to get in on this project, bro, and don't want to have to risk missing out, where do they go? And so they said, bro, we will let you do a whitelist, all right? And so what I'm going to do is they're going to whitelist some of my viewers, some of y'all. So I'm going to have the link in the description, and this is going to be 30 whitelist spots, all right? So don't hesitate to go ahead and get in if you think this is something you want to get into, man. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I love y'all. Let's get it.